They tried to bury us, but they didn't know we were seeds. Before you are the faces of those who lived long before borders and maps. These warriors, hunters, and keepers of tradition were part of a world where land and life were one. They were born in a time when the plains were filled with bison and the rivers ran wild and free. Their lives may not be written in books, but their stories live on in these portraits. We bring them back not to rewrite history, but to remember to truly see and feel those nearly forgotten. Many belong to different nations: Navajo, Sioux, Apache, Cherokee, and many more, each with its own language, customs, and culture. Yet they all shared one truth: a deep respect for the earth, for their ancestors, and for the path walked by those who came before. Their clothing, their adornments, the way they look into the camera, these are not just details. They are symbols, traces of a time when knowledge was passed through stories, not screens. Some of them fought to protect their land, others witnessed changes too great to stop. Some were relocated to reservations, some served as scouts, and some grew old remembering a world untouched by railroads or fences. Their fates were different, but these photos reveal one thing in common quiet dignity. They don't shout, they don't plead, they simply look back, with strength that speaks louder than any words. Today, through the lens of modern technology, we can see them as they were. We can restore the colors of their skin, the texture of their clothing, the warmth in their eyes. We are not changing history, we are honoring it. These are not relics from museums. These are real people who lived, who felt, who made choices. Each of them carries a story, and every face is a window to a world we must not forget. This video is not about conflict or conquest. It is about people, about a culture that endured, about resilience passed down through generations, about beauty that was never lost. We bring these people back not for spectacle but for memory, so that future generations may know before us there were others. Strong, proud, true,